Hey everybody, it's Damon Johnson. On today's open house, I'm going to talk about is how much. I'm going to cover a couple things, so you may need to share this out or come back to this video because this one is really, really important. It's going to deal with a topic we kind of miss over when we deal with houses. It's your money. The first thing I'm going to talk about is comfort zone. What are you comfortable paying? Are you comfortable with a $500 house note? Are you comfortable with a $1,500 house note or a $2,000 house note? It's all on you. Don't let anybody talk you into taking on more of a payment than what you think you can handle. If you're with your broker, with your realtor, with your spouse, with your kids, and you see that payment and you're like, oh boy, I don't think I can afford this, that means to get up, renegotiate that, and maybe rethink about what you're comfortable paying, because when that envelope and that coupon book comes every month, it's going to have your name on it. That's it. So figure out what your comfort zone is and then proceed from there. It all goes back into doing your budget. Another thing I'll talk about is your type of home. What type of home will determine what type of payment you're going to have. If you have a really, really big house, your payment is probably going to be higher. If you're in a sought-after neighborhood or area, your payment probably is going to be a little higher. So think about what type of home you want to be in. Do you need all those extra rooms? Do you need the rooms because your family is large? Do you need the room because you do a lot of out-of-town guests? I don't know. Everybody's situation is different. So be thinking about what type of home you want, because that's going to affect your payment as well. One thing I can't stress enough is your interest rate on the loan. You go over that with your broker. I know it because I know the mortgage business. I can calculate kind of how much your interest rate, your payment is going to be. Your broker is the one that you do that with, or your bank. But I hope you don't go to the bank to get your house, because they're not going to explain everything to you. You want to be sure that you get the lowest interest rate you possibly can. You have to know what your interest rate is, and that goes back, your credit score and some other factors go in to determining your interest rate, like how consistent you are making payments on your bills and your other revolving accounts. That all goes into your interest rate and your payment. If you don't know what your interest rate is on the home you have now, do me a favor and find out. If it isn't what you think it is, it may be time for you to refinance. Refinance doesn't have a season. You can do a refi whenever you want. So, to touch base again, we have 3 things you need to worry about. Your comfort zone, are you in it? The type of home that you're in, and your interest rate and payment. Do me a favor today, guys. Do your homework. Find out what your interest rate and payment is. You may think it's one thing, and it may be lower, it may be higher. Here's hoping that your open house will close soon. Be sure to share this out. Be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.